In our last video, we will learn how to enable cost center and cost category. In today's video, we will try to put all the names, all the items of cost center in our cost under our cost category. Like we made our cost category like petty cash expenses. So now we will make our all the cost center examples which we took as examples in our last video. So we will make this cost center. For this, go with create, then go with show more, or you can go with from here cost center, then cost center creation window is open. Now put the name. Cost category will be the petty cash expenses which we created in our last video. Petty cash expenses, select from here and then put the name of cost center like printing paper. Okay, under will be the primary, accept yes. We'll create the next one like postal courier, accept yes. Next one pen, pencil and eraser, yes sir, press enter, accept yes. Then the next one is traveling. All the examples which you took for solving this problem, we made all these entries. So accept yes. In this video, we learn how to create cost centers. In, in our next video, we will try to learn how to put this vouchers entry and using this cost center and cost category. Like printing paper amount will be 750 rupees, postal courier amount will be 1050 rupees. Like this type of entries we will made in our vouchers. So how to make this vouchers entry we will learn in our next video. Thank you for watching.